Alright, guys, so we're back on this game. I'm gonna get 2 BNSF trains this time. Yeah. I am back on this game right now. So I will put this on the premiere. And I go to Gates. Thank you for 60 subscribers, guys. I'm so happy. Before that. Go to Gates. Oh! No, I don't know. Are you kidding me? Yeah. Let's go. My first time getting that unit. Alright. Look at that unit. There's the end of that. There's the end of that BNSF train. But it's got lots of Union Pacific coal cars. Alright, here comes the next. Okay, let's see if there's any more trains coming. If not, this is only catching this video. Here comes the next scene. Roll it. Alright, we got another BNSF train coming down the line. This is going to wrap it up and end it after this train goes by. I'm gonna go to Gates. What do we got for power on this train? I hope it's got something great in it. I don't know. Let's see. What do we got? Oh, 1069! Oh! And 1800! Are you kidding me? Two NS Heritage units. Alright, yeah! Let's go, my first day with the catch-all that. Are you kidding me? Virginian Heritage unit in the Norfolk Southern Yellow unit, alright. There's the end of that BNSF train. Alright, this will wrap it up and end this video, folks. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe. Turn notification bells on. And comment. And we'll see you guys on the next video. Terry Skipson, Hunter Hobbies, Canada 2025 off. Alright, peace out, everybody.